Drones in agriculture are bridging the gap between ancient traditions and cutting-edge technology. For millennia, farming has been the backbone of civilization, a dance with nature that demands patience, intuition, and relentless labor. Today that dance is evolving. Drones, small, agile, and intelligent, are rewriting the rules of farming, transforming fields into data-rich landscapes, and empowering farmers to grow more food with fewer resources, in ways that honor the earth. This is not just a technological leap, it is a revolution of hope, sustainability, and human ingenuity. Imagine a fleet of drones soaring over golden wheat fields, emerald rice paddies, or sprawling vineyards. These unassuming machines, equipped with multispectral cameras, thermal sensors, and artificial intelligence, are the silent guardians of modern agriculture. They see what the human eye cannot: a subtle shift in leaf color indicating nutrient deficiency, a hidden pocket of dry soil crying out for water, or the early blush of disease creeping through a crop. By capturing real-time data, drones turn guesswork into precision. Farmers no longer blanket fields with water, fertilizers, or pesticides. Instead, they deploy targeted solutions, saving costs and protecting ecosystems. In Kenya, smallholder farmers use drones to monitor maize crops, doubling yields while slashing chemical use. In India, drones map soil health, helping farmers revive degraded land. This is farming reborn smarter, kinder, and infinitely more efficient. The role of drones spans the entire life cycle of farming. At planting, drones scatter seed pods into inhospitable terrain, reforesting mountainsides or rehabilitating wildfire-ravaged land. Companies like Drone Seed deploy fleets that plant thousands of trees daily, combating climate change one seedling at a time. During growth, drones act as aerial agronomists. They generate normalized difference vegetation index maps, revealing which plants thrive and which struggle. In Japan, rice farmers use this data to adjust irrigation, boosting harvests by 20%. When pests strike, drones become precision warriors. Equipped with sprayers, they deliver herbicides or organic pesticides only where needed, reducing chemical use by up to 90% compared to tractors. And at harvest, drones scout fields to predict yields, ensuring no crop is left behind. For livestock farmers, drones are lifelines. Thermal cameras spot sick animals in vast herds, while GPS trackers monitor grazing patterns. In Australia, ranchers use drones to find lost sheep in minutes, across thousands of acres, a task that once took days. Even bees, the unsung heroes of pollination, are protected by drones that monitor hive health and pesticide exposure. Agriculture faces a daunting challenge: feeding 10 billion people by 2050 without destroying the planet. Drones are rising to meet this challenge. By optimizing water use, they combat drought, a critical tool in regions like California, where farmers save 40% of irrigation water using drone-generated moisture maps. By minimizing chemical runoff, they protect rivers and oceans. In Brazil, drone-sprayed biocontrol agents replace toxic pesticides, preserving biodiversity in the Amazon. Drones even fight climate change directly. Reforestation projects in Nepal and Canada rely on drone-planted trees to sequester carbon and restore ecosystems. This technology is not just for industrial farms. In Rwanda, coffee growers use drones to survey steep hillsides, improving yields without terraforming the land. In Bangladesh, flood-prone rice farmers receive drone-mapped elevation data to build resilience,